Ready, start. The primary consideration for placing the seven industries in the core sector is their intrinsic importance to the economy of the country and the role which they play in the nation building activities. The requirement of coal in the core sector is on the higher side either for captive power generation or for other usage for the manufacturing operations. Any substantial increase in the price of coal shall have a substantial effect on the cost of finished products of vital importance and the cost of services to the public. Counsel for the respondent has submitted before us that 70% of the cement manufactured by the country is utilized by the central or state governments for the construction of projects, bridges, roads, etc. Any increase in the price of coal supplied to the core industries would result in the increase of cost of essential commodities such as electricity, cement, and steel. The consumption of coal is quite high and is a major input of these industries. In the case of non linked industries, the coal consumption is minimal and the increase in the price will not result in any appreciable increase in the cost of products manufactured by non linked sector industries. Keeping in view the intrinsic importance of the core sector consumers and their importance in the nation building activities and the extent of consumption of coal either for captive power generation or for use in manufacturing operations legitimately calls for a special treatment as far as these industries are concerned. For charging lesser prices are evolving a dual price policy, it cannot be said that equals are treated unequally or that the classification does not rest on rational basis. The objective of dual pricing purportedly is to ensure that core sector industries or customers are not unduly burdened with price increase while at the same time the respondent gets adequate return for its products so as to cover the financial deficit. There is no such law that a particular commodity cannot have a dual fixation of price. Dual fixation of price based on reasonable classification from different types of customers has met with approval from the courts. Monopolistic organizations like the electricity boards and petroleum corporations are having dual price fixation. It is a common feature that electricity boards which generate power sell the power at different rates to different types of customers such as domestic, agricultural, and industrial consumers. Even different types of industries are charged different rates. Keeping in view the law laid down by this court, in our opinion, the High Court did not fall into an error in upholding Clause 10 of the price notification dated 14/3/1997. The High Court rightly came to the conclusion that Clause 10 of the price notification did not violate the Equality Clause of Article 14 of the Constitution. By evolving the dual price policy and charging lesser price from the core sector industries, the respondent has not treated equals as unequals, nor could it be said that the classification made was not rational.